We're going to review tandem stance. Tandem stance is a higher level exercise that should only be completed if cleared by your physical therapist or if your balance is adequate enough. Typically, I would recommend that a patient have someone around just to supervise the first time. You'll simply face the chair, two-hand support, putting one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe as if you were on a tightrope. Trying to maintain that balance for 10 to 30 seconds. If that exercise is too challenging, just take your foot and step a little bit out to the side. Again, trying to hold 10 to 30 seconds. Then switch legs, putting the opposite foot in front of each other, as if you were on a balance beam. Balance exercises are typically completed in 10 to 30 second increments. Strengthening exercises are typically completed in sets of 10 for a total of 30. If you have any questions, you might want to consult your physical therapist in reviewing these home exercises.